Hi. Most people have never heard of metal roofs being restored with silicone roof coatings before, and I'm here to share with you that, why building owners go this route, how much they cost, how long they last, and much more. Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about silicone roof coating systems over existing metal roofs. There's a lot of benefits to do it. The first one is cost. Metal roof owners, they can remove all their metal panels, rip them off, and put new ones on there, but you're going to talk 15, 20 bucks a square foot, and it's just a lot of labor, a lot of transferring stuff to landfills, when you could easily just put a fluid applied coating system over your metal roof and get a new warranty and have a leak-free roof from there. Why do they consider them? Besides the cost, you're also getting a seamless roofing system. Seams on the roof, they contract and expand with the heat of the roof. So when it's going up and down, those screws are backing out, the panels are moving, and over time it gives water an opportunity to get in there. If a crack would happen at a seam, it's just a bad thing. But over time you can restore these with a coating system and be right up to par with a new roof. People ask, how long will a silicone roof system last over a metal roof? I don't want to say forever because that sounds like a strong statement, but it is a renewable roofing system, so it can last as long as the building will last. So if you do get a 10-year warranty on a coating system, you put 20 mils of coating over that. After those 10 years are up, that 20 mils might be down to 7 or 8 mils of coating, and in that time you just bring the coating back up to 20 mils again and you get a new 10-year warranty. So it can last. It's a renewable roofing system that can last as long as the building's around. Another question is, how does it get installed actually? People think it's kind of just like paint, just drop it and roll it and done, and collect a check and you're done, and that's not how it works. There's a lot of steps involved. The first step is identifying the wet insulation and recognizing any problems with the roof. You want to remove any wet insulation before putting coating on. That's the first step involved always. So once you do that, now you're playing with a dry roof system. Then there's adhesion tests. There's primers involved. You want to make sure that coating's going to work on that roof system. There's also seam treatments. They'll use a seam tape over the seams to give that just an extra strength to make sure that no water has any opportunity to get in there. They'll also put coating over top of each fastener to make sure that they're not backing out, that they're completely seamless and part of the roofing system. And then once it's time, then it's finally time to either fluid apply or roll the coating onto your roof system, and then make sure it's the correct millage, and that's pretty much the whole roofing system. But just wanted to make it clear that it wasn't just drop it on like paint and roll it and that was it. There's a lot of making sure the roof system is installed right and it's going to last. People ask how long it'll take to install a coating system. It gives their take on each roofing project. I can say probably around 3,000 square foot a day can be installed, but if there's plenty of penetrations on a roof, it could take a little longer. If you want a longer warranty that'll warrant more product on there, that'll take longer to install. So there's a lot of variables with that, but roughly around 3,000 square foot a day. Certainly weather has a lot to do with that as well. You might wonder what happens after the installation is over. So if the warranty is through the manufacturer of the coating, they'll come on that roof and they'll have, they can measure how much coating is on that roof. So if you paid for 20 mils, they'll show you it's 20 mils. They just want to make sure that that product is going to last as long as the warranty is. And they know if there's a 10-year warranty, it needs to have at least 20 mils of coating on there, and they're going to check multiple areas to make sure that it has 20 mils of coating on there. And then a lot of people, they want to see photos of what before and afters are. So if you want to, click the link below. It goes to a blog post, and there's before and afters of 3 different coating systems where we installed the silicone over an existing metal roof. That's really it for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us anytime. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.